Outdoorsman's Getaway. Built in 2009, this home was custom built for the mountain person with a lot of toys. Offers a 400 square feet redwood deck with views to Mammoth Mountain. Large one-car garage with 1/2 bath and laundry room. 2 carports, one for a 30-feet toy hauler with electric hookups. Vaulted ceilings inside, granite counters, wood flooring. Separate entrance, 1 bedroom/1.5 bath on lower level with separate entrance. Extremely energy efficient home. Wired for easy solar panel hookup, FAU gas heat in the garage. Sprinkler system has been plumbed.